Do you need to log out or sign out of your DeepSeek account, but you don't know where to find the button? I'm going to show you how you can log out of the DeepSeek AI app. So follow my steps and watch the video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. As you can see, I have the app opened on my phone, and I'm currently logged into my DeepSeek account. All I need to do is to tap on these two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, which will then open this side menu where you'll be able to see your chat history. But we're interested in this little profile picture icon at the bottom of your screen, so let's click on this, and that's going to open this profile menu in the app, where you'll see some options related to the DeepSeek application. Scroll a bit down to the bottom and find the logout button. In order to sign out of your account, simply click on this button and then we'll see this little pop-up message telling us what logging out will do, so you can read this if you want to, but I'm simply going to tap on log out. And that's essentially it. I will be logged out of my DeepSeek account, and I can now log in with my other account, or you can do whatever you want to. If you found this video useful and helpful, please consider leaving a like on it because it would really help me out. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.